Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about some of the countermeasures to prevent web server attacks.
Most probably about patches and updates only. Scan for existing vulnerabilities by using NASES and all. We can check the vulnerabilities, patch the update of the server software regularly. We need to update the server software before applying the any service pack, hotfix, or security patch. Read and peer review all the relevant documents. Basically, that only. This one. Before deploying the software, the security patch, and all these things, we need to check other reviews whether that is convenient, or is there any bugs or vulnerabilities in that security patch. That's about that. Apply all updates regardless of their type as need basis. We need to apply all the updates that are present. Okay, this is testing machine only, non-production. First, we need to test the service packs in non-production environment before deploying to the actual production. Ensure that service packs and all these patch levels must be consistent on all domain controllers. Domain controls are nothing but those similar to Active Directories only. There is user credential. The credentials will be there, like username and password. You need to enter username and password and get access to your data. So that's about that. Ensure that server outages are scheduled and complete set of backup tapes, emergency repair disk are available. You need to have this multiple server architecture so that you can, if there is any outrage, so you have backup tapes as well. Have backup plan that all. Okay, this is similar to that. This only like in if you want when to install OS, your Windows OS only. If something happens in the middle of the OS get corrupts, what happens? It restore to some of the point before you installation. Whatever the system restore point was there, it will get back to you. So that's the concept of backup plan. It allows the system and enterprise to return to their original state prior to the failed implementation. Similar things we do in web server as well. Schedule periodic service pack update as per of operation maintenance, and never try to have more than 2 service pack behind. We need to regularly 2 service pack behinds mean for every 2 months or a month, one service pack will be released. So you need to regularly update your software. You need to not to leave this much of time and left it like this only, because what happens, these attackers can find out the vulnerability and get access to the web server. So these are the things you need to remember about. You need to study about web server. Okay, let's finish off these things with patch management. So patch management will use in web server software. So process used to ensure that appropriate patches are installed on a system to help the fix known vulnerabilities. It is automated one. We need to uh, do this manually. This system or application is an automated one. What it does, at first it use tool to detect missing security patches. Similar to this, security patches are more or less similar to those Android security patches or even Kali updates as well. So it will detect if the server software is up to date or not, or if some of the security patches are missing or not. It first the patch management will detect that. Then it assess the some of the issues that are present in the server and mitigate those factors. And also before deploying that security patch, first what it will do, it will download that patch for testing, and it will test that security patch in testing machine. And after verifying the consequences of that update, then it will deploy for the main system or web server. Then afterwards, you can subscribe to get notification about the vulnerability and all those things. So this is the basic process of automated web patch management. You can take the example of your phone only. Suppose you get the Android security update or patch update. What happens if the patch, the code program, if there is any bug in the code, programming code? What happens? Some overheating issues will occur. Flickering of display will occur after installing that software patch. So these things could occur in here also for the web server as well. So in order to be aware of these consequences, what this patch management will do, it will test these security updates or security patches in this test machine, then it will deploy in the real machine. So that's the basic concept of patch management.
That's it from this video. Thank you so much.